They are after my life. If anything happened to me, all those in the house, hold them responsible. Yes. Hold all the police officers that investigated, hold them responsible. Yes. If they want to bring the truth out, they should go. They know they should give a judgment. The police should get a warrant from the court. They should go to the central unit.
Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share with your friends to have access to this kind of content that you have here. Don't forget to subscribe. I love and respect you. I'll be right back.
To provide justice. So what we can simply ask is, it's not a one-way traffic. Like I said, I have said it repeatedly, that police are meant to continue their investigation while the coroner inquest is doing their own fact-finding too. However, there is no reason for the police to stop. So if the police are telling us there is a reason why they stop, we want to know. Because that's why we're going to be demanding clearly they should change the set of police that started this investigation. To me personally, I don't have 100% trust in the police setup. Those are investigated again. I would prefer the same police hierarchy from the IG. They should change so that probably the other ones can look in another direction where the previous one would not look, and then that would have removed the doubts of compromise. Because if the new ones are going to come in, they will at least have a clear path and know that okay, this is where the evidences are going to be sitting. We all know that there is CCTV in and outside Mohbad's house, and then we should be able to go for that. Number two, they know certainly that all these people, they have phones. When you look at the movement of the nurse was, according to what I heard, the nurse was saying that she only got to see the picture of what she's coming to treat while she got to the gate of the estate. Certainly, that means she's been ambushed, and then that is a real cause for concern. So all these things, they need to look at the conversation. And the other guys, don't be Mohbad, the two other guys, they need to be. We don't know. I did the one that came into the house, committed the crime, in connivance with whoever. We want to know, why are those people not being charged? Who is powerful than the Nigerian citizen? Who is powerful than the Nigerian constitution? Who is ready to take many lives for this? Let us know, because we are ready to even donate the life. Because on this we will stand. Justice must be prevailed. Nobody can deny us this justice. We know what to do, and when we are ready, we will communicate it. If it's going to take just a few of us here or more of us, if everybody is interested in justice, we will stand our feet and they will do the right thing. They will keep trying to dodge, but we will take them to the road and say, do the right thing.
Sir, are you going to support the motive of the CY lawyer when I put a question to her concerning the Idajo statement saying Mohbad died inside the house and the CCTV is not inside the house? When the lawyer responds, he said that means Idajo must be invited, so that she's going to give the root of and the source of that information. What is your take concerning that aspect?
Okay, now let me tell you people clearly, because I don't know what might happen tomorrow. So we always take advantage of every opportunity. From my investigation, the kind of Mohbad house has the same pattern in that estate. Same person builds all the houses, and they have all the same camera features. If you doubt me, I challenge the Nigerian police to open their camera, go live, or take me to go live, speak and see the audience of 3, 4, 5 people in that street, and see that it is not the same house. You will realize that, including the staircase, it has fitted camera, and that camera, all those cameras in each house has a storage. It has a central storage. They know what they are doing. I am not going to take this. We are not going to take it. Yes. That foolery must stop. All the houses in that street, in that estate, are built in the same pattern, in the same fitting. I personally put my life on risk to go and investigate. They all have cameras, including the staircase. I will tell you all the positions of where the cameras are. Now that the police will go into the house and somebody will say there is no camera and they turn their back, even the camera in front of the house that is still there, why can't the police bring where the storage is? If anybody, whoever is in charge of the CCTV storage, the central storage, they must bring all of us, the family, the lawyers, the police. We must all check together. If anything is missing, the person in charge of CCTV should be charged for murder, conspiracy to commit murder, because that is the truth. Again, so your camera, camera, gbogbo inú ilé kọ̀ọ̀kan ní estate yẹn kò sí storage ẹnu ilé yẹn ó ń stọ̀ sí ibì kan tí security estate yẹn ní àwọn tó dẹ̀ ṣètò àti bó tọ́lẹ̀ wọ́n ti dúkùú mọ́ they are after my life. If anything happened to me, all those in the house tí Mohbad kú, hold them responsible. Hold all the police officers are investigated, hold them responsible. If they want to bring the truth out, they should go. They know they should give a judgment. The police should get a warrant from the court. They should go to the central unit. See gbogbo CCTV ilé kọ̀ọ̀kan tó ń stọ̀ sí. Ihun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ bó ṣe gbẹ́ ẹ̀mí Mohbad kedere ni everybody marry. Who was there? You will see. And that is where we are going. If it had a Loni, except that estate, wọ́n máa gba àlejò. Tí àwọn tó wà ní estate yẹn tí gbogbo wọn bá fẹ́ gèrè ọmọ wọn, if they will not come together and say, release the footage of Mohbad's interior building to the police, release it to the public. If they will not come together, that estate is harboring murder. We are challenging everybody in that estate to search their conscience. If you wash your hand off Mohbad's death, can you wash your conscience? Do you want to gain from your children? Does that mean you're going to live longer? Does that mean you're going to make heaven? Does that justify that you are holy? Speak the truth for us. But I repeat, they are fitted the same way. Cameras are fitted in each section of each houses. Removing the cameras for physical examination does not remove the storage. The person in charge of the IT and camera in that estate they should bring the person in. The head of security in that estate should be brought in. I am saying the truth now, and that is where the truth is. Whatever they like, they don't do. If everybody chooses to be silent about that, I have done my best. That is where the truth is. You will see it there, and it is still sitting in that estate. It's sitting there. If they know it's not true, they should allow us access to the CCTV.
Thank you so very much. We need to go back to the courts.
And to me, there is no need for that. Although we have nothing to hide, my client is, has nothing to hide. However, with the approach adopted now, we are not going to finish this case so soon, anytime soon. It's going to drag on and on and on. They are saying they are fighting for the interest of justice, but what they are doing is against the interest of justice, because the matter is almost completed. They are drawn up back to the drawing board. We are starting almost afresh. So if we go at this pace, we are not likely to finish, although we can't finish this year, and we are not likely to finish even 3-4 months after the new year. Going to the new year, when they be going to the first quarter or second quarter before we finish, because the issue of the autopsy is still there, suspended. They are doing another autopsy. The issue of recalling witnesses, they are there. They have lawyers who handle the matter from beginning to this point. So what are the lawyers? And they are competent lawyers. What have they done wrong? What have they not done right? That they want to bring other witnesses. If they want us to be here forever, for God knows when, we are ready.
All right, thank you very much, sir. I would love to put 1 or 2 questions, which is in your interest to answer, only if you feel like.
No problem.
And no one will force anybody to say whatever you're not feeling. Yeah. Initially, when the issue started fresh, what we had was Ilerioluwa had an ear infection.
Yes.
Later, we had it was a fight between him and his friend that leads to this and all that. Sir, to my own thinking, me not being a legal practitioner, I believe you being a legal practitioner should know more than I do. But we civilians, what we think is, at least the around us should all be well drilled, well interrogated, and if possible, they should all be detained. You understand? But we found it difficult when we heard that some people are detained, some are not. The likes of Darusha, who happens to be the PA to Mo, being free, walking around, and the likes of Spending, Prime Boy, were detained. What little can you say concerning that?
You see, in Nigeria, sometimes you see a lot of things happening that are not supposed to happen. Your question is just fantastic, it's just to the point, it's just the truth. The last 22 hours, that's what they call doctrine of last sins. The person who saw a diseased person last, or those who are with him last, to be able to, explain the circumstances surrounding his death, you understand? Which this case is not an exception. Unfortunately, like you said, they arrested some, they didn't arrest. Even those who were arrested, unfortunately or surprisingly, they were allegedly, freed on the directive of the father of the deceased. So when you see all this, the same person is now the one crying foul now that you want to record some witnesses. He went to police station, tell them to release some of them. You understand? These are the allegations, and he has not debunked them. So when you are saying you are crying for justice, and the same man, Mo is not a Muslim, or he was not a Muslim, let me say, oh, go and bury him. The same you now now fishing for evidence to say, oh, we want to know what cause is there. Did you know that one, or is an afterthought now? Is it now you are now thinking, oh, you want to know the cause of that? You were not surprised that time. You didn't question anybody. You didn't ask questions. You didn't make investigation.
This is ODUA TV Watch. Don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.